From the black land to the future we see, we build with trust at GRC Summit Egypt. Voices unite, shaping destiny. Together we lead with integrity.
Our board setting the way. Ihab, Soliman, Mohamed, Yehia, Ahmed, Noby. Vision clearer, Wessam, Maher, Amina, Kenany, Sara, Sabry. Strategic planning, khaled, Aboulata. Guiding the way, shaping tomorrow from today. With strategy, advisory, purpose aligned. Dr. Lamise, Negm, future defined.
One voice, one trust, one family. Building tomorrow digitally. Egypt is calling, can't you see? We rise as one at GRC Summit Egypt.
Our global ambassadors, worldwide legacy. Ramsés, Gallego, Ramzy, El-Masry, Lillian, Magdi, global legacy. Majid, Rushdie, Rihem, Fares, connecting voices everywhere. Our guests of honor, shaping the way. Ahmed, Issa, Tarek, Fayed, Dr. Ahmed, Galal, impact made. Sherif, Elbehery, Samy, Abdelsadek, elevating minds, connection set. Our speakers leading the digital matter. Bruno, Horta, minds connect, meet Estepanian, future set. Sherin, Helmi, Ulrika, Delrod, Ihab, Edward, standards good. Nada risk Allah, Sid Dragani, Habib Bachir.
Global Hamni, Marian Kaldas, Amr El-Guzri, Dr. Mohamed, El-Horsari, visionary, Mahmoud Al-Baguri, system for line. Walid Mustafa, next in line. Maya Abdin, Nagal Nosir, Mira Yusuf, pathways clear. Nancy Soliman, Sa Aziz, Ulfat Gwemi, expertise. Nermin Shihab, Ebeldin, Hebatalla Al-Watidi, Dr. Nasser Helmi, Amira Atef, shaping the scene. Our organizing committee, driving the plan. Bishoy Abid, Osama Rashad, Amr and Rifka El-Menshawi, moving ahead. Ammar Essam, Nur Nasser, Maryam George, rising faster. Nancy Fayed, Mina Amir, orchestrating what comes after. Honored to stand side by side. GRC Summit Egypt, family worldwide.
Together we rise.